Morning students, hope you all are doing good and staying healthy at home. In today's class, I will tell you some questions related to chapter 1, or you can say some extra questions which will help you in your revision or which may come in your PT1 paper. After this video, I will send you frequently asked questions which you can revise and prepare it for your PT1 exam. Let's start. Chapter 1, Introduction to Networking. Question can be, what do you mean by network? Answer will be when more than one devices, two or more devices are connected to each other, wire or wireless, in order to share resources or to communicate. That is called network. Give some examples of network. Examples are telephone network, computer network, etc. Now, what do you mean by computer network? A network which consists of two or more computers connected through a cable or some peripheral devices in order to communicate or share resources. Next, what do you mean by client or server in a network? Answer, client means a user which requests or want to get services from computer, that is called client. Server, a main computer which provide response or which provide services to a client. Next, a connecting medium such as dash helps in transferring the data signals. Answer, coaxial cable. Then name different types of network. Answer will be local area network, metropolitan area network, and third, wide area network. Name some modern devices. Answer will be laptop, tablet computer or smartphone. Next, name some features of network. Answer, topology, protocol, network architecture. Define different types of topology. Answer, there are 4 types of topology. First, bus topology, in which all devices are connected through a single cable. Star topology, in which each computers are connected in a star shape and in a central point there is a hub through which all systems are connected. Next, ring topology. In this type of topology, there is no hub, there is no central computer. All systems are connected in a circular shape. Last, mesh topology. This is the strong topology which transfer data and it is difficult to install and maintenance cost is high. What do you mean by protocol? Give some example. It means set of rules or regulations which allow different computers to communicate with each other in order to use network. Example, TCP/IP, transmission control protocol, IP, internet protocol, HTTP, hypertext transfer protocol. And one more example, SMTP, Simple Mail Transfer Protocol. What do you mean by node? It means a computer system used in a network. Then define some different types of network. Answer: local area network, in which computers are connected within a building within a small geographical area. Metropolitan area network, where it consists of two or more LAN connected within a city or a town. Wide area network, where multiple LANs are separated throughout the continent or throughout the countries, like internet. Then what do you mean by internet? It means worldwide or millions of computers are connected to each other. What is the full form of ISP? Internet Service Provider. On June 2019, more than dash people use internet worldwide. Answer: 4 billion. What do you mean by web browser? It means an application software which helps to open a website. What do you mean by World Wide Web? It means collection of websites. Give some examples of web browser. Google Chrome, Mozilla Firefox, Opera Mini, Microsoft Internet Explorer. Then define some network devices. Hub, which is a physical device that directs signals toward the connected system. Switch, it is similar to hub, but it transfers the signal directly to the destination port. Bridge, it builds a communication among different computers network. Router, it is a device which acts as a central point to connect different devices through a port. Internet, internal network card, also known as NIC, network interface card, which develop a physical connection between the computer and the network. It can be connected to your PC and other handheld devices nowadays available. Next, what do you mean by modem? Modem stands for modulator, demodulator, which translate or convert digital signals into analog and analog signals into digital signals. Next, what do you mean by network security? It means set of policies and procedures implemented for protecting a network from the online threats. Now, next, define different types of threats to a network. Answer: virus, worms and Trojan horse. It is the first point. It means these are the malware which spread in our system and try to corrupt our data and enable a remote access to our system. Spyware and adware, also malicious program designed to spy or monitor our system, and adware which send unwanted advertisements to your system. Hacking, third point, which want a unauthorized access to your information, to your system in order to access your sensitive data. Phishing, next point, it means fraud messages are sending to your system in order to gain personal information, for example bank account detail. Then denial of service, DOS, which request to disturb the server, which attack on server to overload with data so that website will be inaccessible for a user. Question can be, name some other threats to your network security. Answer, botnets, rootkits, spam or blended attack that combine multiple threats components. Next, what do you mean by security policy? It means aim at ensuring maintenance and security of a computer system. Define some security solution. First, authentication and authorization protocol, which allow only authorized user can access the network. Which allow only authorized user to access the data and protect the sensitive data from unauthorized access. Next point, antivirus and anti-spyware, special software designed to protect the system from spyware and adware by introducing antivirus and anti-spyware in order to remove and detect the malicious program from our system through scanning process. Next, firewall. It is also a software that protects us from hackers when we are online. Last, virtual private network. It means which allow you to remotely access to your computer system. Then question can be, what do you mean by architecture? Name its types. So architecture means layout of a network which integrates different topologies and includes softwares, protocols, hardwares and media for transmission of data, and its types peer-to-peer and client-server type. Question can be, difference between internet and world wide web, difference between these types of networks, difference between the hardware devices which we have learned. So basically page wise I explain you and discuss with you some questions. It can be in the form of long questions, can be in the form of MCQ, or in the form of short answer as well. So in this video we have learned and revised everything. Hope you like this video. Thank you.